Today, we're diving into the fascinating culture of the Nuer people, a tribe residing in South Sudan. The Nuer are known for their resilience and their deep connection to their cattle, which play a central role in their daily life and cultural practices. Cattle, for the Nuer, cattle are more than just livestock. They represent wealth, status, and social connections. Cattle are used as a form of dowry in marriages, symbolizing a man's wealth and the union between families. In times of conflict or disputes, cattle serve as compensation or a form of restitution, demonstrating their economic and social importance. Social structure: the Nuer society is organized into clans and sub-clans, each with its own traditional leaders and customs. Elders play a crucial role in mediating disputes and maintaining social order. The communal nature of Nuer life means that decisions often involve collective input and consensus. Bravery and protectiveness. Nuer men are renowned for their bravery and protectiveness. They are deeply committed to defending their families and community. This bravery is not just physical, but also reflects their role as protectors of cultural traditions and values. Education and modernization. While traditional values hold strong, the Nuer people are also increasingly embracing education and modern practices. Many Nuer men and women are pursuing higher education and contributing to various fields, blending traditional strengths with modern knowledge. Cultural practices. Traditional Nuer practices include elaborate ceremonies, music, and dance. Their rituals often revolve around cattle and involve communal celebrations. The Nuer also have a rich oral tradition, with stories and songs passed down through generations. So, there you have it, folks. The Nuer people are a remarkable tribe with a rich culture and history, characterized by their strong connection to cattle, their social structure, and their commitment to bravery and education. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more interesting cultural insights. Until next time, take care.